Okay, here we are at the bathroom of our steampunk themed salon. And I wanted to make a vaulted toilet, chain flush toilet. And so here is what I have rigged up. There's our toilet and the flush pipe and the cistern. So we're all put together, but we're just dry fit. So we're gonna test this out and see what we see. So the pipes are probably gonna leak. More what I'm looking for is the flush itself. So, alrighty, go ahead.
It works! And that's actually very minimal leaking. That sounds crazy.
That sounds so crazy. The whole water's rushing down the pipe at a very delayed flush.
Oh, I gotta flush again.
So cool.
Very cool.